In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a playback schedule using the Android calendar on your Android device. Let's get started. You can set up a playback schedule using the Android calendar on the Android device displaying your digital signage. This option is easy to implement and doesn't require internet access. However, the schedule has to be updated on each Android device, so if you have only a few devices, using the Android calendar is a good option for you. If you need help deciding on a scheduling option, refer to the Choosing a Scheduling Option tutorial in this series. You'll find the link below. You can set up the Android calendar option in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Add schedule events to your Android calendar. Step 2. Configure the video kiosk settings with the Android calendar to use. Step 3. Configure the video kiosk schedule options if required. And Step 4. Launch video kiosk. Here's each step in detail. Step 1. Open Android calendar. Video kiosk will execute commands based on the time and the description in the notes field of the calendar. To control video kiosk's playback, add an event with the time to start and end playback. Use the calendar options to repeat this event as often as is required. For example, Valerie runs a coffee shop in a mall food court, and she uses video kiosk to display her menu on an Android TV. She set it up to display the menu during mall hours. She sets up one event for each day of the week and sets each one to repeat weekly. Because Valerie has just one menu that she displays all day, she didn't need to display different menus for different times of the day. If she had, she would have used a playlist and added the playlist to the notes field of her event. For more information about this syntax, refer to the Video Kiosk User's Manual. You'll find the link below. Step 2. Configure Video Kiosk with the location of the schedule. Go to the Video Kiosk Settings, the Schedule, and Use a Calendar or Schedule, and select the Android calendar as the schedule location. Step 3. Configure the scheduling options. Video Kiosk has some scheduling options. The one we're going to set is Video Kiosk's behavior when no event is playing. The default is to display a blank screen. However, Valerie wants to display a clock when her menu isn't displaying, so she knows that Video Kiosk is working when she comes in the morning. To display the clock, go to the settings and set Display Clock to On. Step 4. Launch Video Kiosk. Now that Valerie has scheduled playback, here's how her digital signage behaves. When Valerie comes to work in the morning, Video Kiosk is displaying the clock. At 8 a.m., it switches to displaying the menu. At 7 p.m., it switches back to displaying the clock. It follows the same pattern each day of the week, displaying the menu during mall hours and displaying the clock when the mall is closed. And if she ever needs to update her calendar, she uses a wireless keyboard to open Android Calendar on the Android TV, and then she can update the schedule. For step-by-step instructions on how to use each scheduling option, check out the other tutorials in this series. And for printed step-by-step instructions on how to use all of Video Kiosk's features, download the Video Kiosk User's Manual. You'll find the link below. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment.